take my phone, right? And then he threatened one of our friends.
You can do what you want, man. Cheers.
Right?
Nobody has
What is the reason you come here? What is the reason you come here? I want to speak to you. Okay, go on.
I don't care. So what?
No, why you come here?
No, so you can. He has no right to ask everybody else's name and not tell his name. He's not telling us what it is about.
Picture as well.
No, he said, there's this business in Pakistan, you disorder, they were being aggressive. Right? They were being aggressive.
Nothing to do with you. You are Pakistani. Tell me, who are you? Okay, show me your card. You are Pakistani. That's true. It's better you go away from here. Okay? That's it.
I think son.
Okay. Leave that. Just go away from here and don't come back here. Okay? Okay. I said you don't come back here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Chalo, let's go. Leave him now. It's okay. Come on. Who sent you, bro? Leave that one. He said I am Pakistani. Could you tell me you are Pakistani?
I'm not Pakistani.
Why you said you are Pakistani?
You asked me a silly question, don't you, sir?
This is silly, no question. It's our house. How you can come here?
Okay.
How you can come here? Did I come your house and ask you what you do here? I said this is my house. I'm owner of this house. Yeah. Yeah. I'm asking you. Who are you to asking me? You are the person. You said I'm Pakistani.
No, I'm speaking to
That's
you.
better you go away from here, okay?
Listen.
I said you go from
I am
here.
speaking to you. Okay?
I don't want to tell you anything until you just go away from
Your
here.
name is Boss.
Okay?
You said your name is Boss.
Whatever I say, you are not
No.
Pakistani.
You said your name is
I say you come here or not? Can you come here? Other guy, can you come from my
Well, take off your mask, give me a pass.
That's my house. You're not allowed to come here. You come from
Who are we talking to? Who are we talking to?
Who are you to asking me?
No, I don't. You talking to me?
This is my house. This is my privacy. Okay, you stand here.
I don't care. You must think I don't give a fuck.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
What videos you want, mate?
Nobody cares.
Do I check postcode?